Hey guys, welcome to today's video. So today I'm going to be showing you all of the eyeshadow palettes that I absolutely love for the year of 2018. Like, I don't have as many as I thought I would have because, you know, I think this year with eyeshadow palettes I explored a lot of eyeshadow palettes, and I still have more eyeshadow palettes to even like test out and, you know, get my hands in and be deep in the makeup, you know. So this year was just about me just like really finding myself and just seeing what formulas I like, what I don't, what things I'm drawn to packaging wise, maybe color scheme, all those kinds of things, and these are the ones I've been reaching for the most. So I hope you guys do enjoy this video, and please let me know down in the comments below what were your favorite eyeshadow palettes for 2018. What were the ones that you were reaching for the most? So let's jump in. So I think you guys already know what I'm going to mention. There's no specific order, by the way. I have the LA Colors Matte Quad in Matterific. It is literally like the most boring quad you have ever probably seen. But literally, that's it. Like this, I've been reaching for this thing so much. Literally, I have a humongous dent in this shade right here. I just love using just this palette alone just to make the most simple, blown out, grayish brown crease, and then maybe putting like a little bit of this on the outer V just to define it, just like a little bit of this, and then just like throwing it underneath my lash line and really focusing it over here. I just think it looks like my eye is like contoured, and it looks really nice. It helps enhance my eye shape. Now, I strongly suggest that you go and find like a shade or a color that you can use every single day, that you can literally just throw in your crease and you're out the door. Whether that's a bronzer, a warm tone, a pink shade, whatever it may be, I highly suggest finding a color or a type of color that you love so much that you can just use on a quick, easy day makeup, because this is literally like my go-to look. So I really have been enjoying this. I didn't discover this till about the end of the year, but I really do love this. I know I'll be reaching for this in the future. Now, I have been really loving the Morphe 35T. You guys know I am not affiliated by Morphe, but I absolutely love Morphe. I think their shadows are great. I love how they perform. They're amazing. They're buttery, they're soft, and you get so much for your money. It's not even funny. Now, there's another palette that I love. I think it's like the 12 or the 15 like Brunch Babe palette. I think it's what it's called, but that was also another favorite of mine. I can't currently find it. I have to reorganize my beauty room. But this is what the 35T looks like. It just has a bunch of taupes. It has some rosy tones. It's mostly rosy tones. I don't really think it's taupe, in my opinion. This is mostly like rosy tones. You get some reds, you get a little bit of browns, you get some golds in there, some rose golds. You do get taupes in there too. But I love this palette. I think like it is one of my favorites. For what you pay and what you get, come on, it's a steal pretty much. I do not have an affiliate code. I just want to throw that out there. I'm not sponsored. They don't know me. But, you know, I just genuinely love Morphe. Another Morphe palette that I have been absolutely in love with was the Morphe X Jaclyn Hill palette. This is what the packaging looks like. I'm sure you guys have heard a bunch of rumors about this palette, but I just love I love this palette. I love these colors. These are my kind of colors. They're not so purple. They're more of a taupey, pinky, purpley kind of color. I love this. I love the color Hush Hush in the crease. I love Bling Bling on the lid. I love Spark in my underneath the lash line or in the outer V. I love Glitz and Glam. I love Pizzazz right here. And I also love Ballsy, which is right there. It's so beautiful. I am just all about the mauvey tones. Like, I can't get enough of this palette. Now, I haven't been reaching for it lately, but I do know that I do love it. I will say the shadows, the shimmer shades don't perform as much as I would like them to, but I still love them 100%. I just love this palette. I actually created a look at it using the whole entire palette, and it was the most beautiful look I have ever created, honestly, in my whole entire life. and I was hooked. I don't think you can get this next palette anywhere. I think you may be able to get it on Amazon, eBay maybe, and maybe like some discount stores that sell high-end makeup. But this is the Bobbie Brown Garage palette. I have not really heard many people talking about this palette, like for some reason, but this is literally what I've been wanting. It has the most beautiful grayish tones. Like, it's like, I love these shades. I wish people came out with more shades like these this coming year, because these shades are so flattering. These are the shades that I can contour with because it looks like a natural shadow. But I love these shades. It's so beautiful. I can't get enough of it. And as soon as I got this palette, I was like, oh my god, this is gonna be my new favorite. I'm gonna be hitting pan on this, and then what? Because this is like a limited edition palette. If there is some dupes out there, please let me know. I would love to know. Or if there's colors that are very similar to these ashen tones, please let me know, because I would love it. So that's it, you guys. I hope you do enjoy this video. And I'm sorry I don't have that many eyeshadow palettes to show you guys. I just wanted to show you my absolute favorite, the ones I've been loving, using, would recommend to anyone across the board. So I hope you guys do enjoy this video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye, guys.